this is your period of reasoning. This is your period of reasoning. Yes, today we will study our subject reasoning. So, let's open your book of reasoning and take one pencil in your hand. Open page number 48. 48 in chapter number 7. The name of our chapter is Coding, Decoding. Coding and decoding. Do you know the meaning of coding? What is coding? Coding is a method of making something easy to recognize. Or to mark something like letters, numbers, names, etc. with a code. And now what is decoding? Decoding is the process of converting the coded symbols or coded pattern into the original one. When someone receives the coded symbol or coded name, then translate it into the original one, then this is called decoding. Decoding of any name, thing, word. Now what is written here? See, how can we decode the questions given in coded language? Some particular words are assigned certain substituted names. Substituted names means another names, different names in these type of questions. Then a question is asked that is to be answered in the substituted coded language. We have to give the answers of these questions in the coded language. We have to write the answer in coded name, not in the original name. Like, let us take an example. If purple is called white, purple is called white, and white is called green. White is called green. Now green is called blue. Now which color is on the last strip of Indian flag? See, these are the original names. These are the original names and these are the coded names. We have given the name white to purple, green to white, blue to green. Now the question is which color is on the last strip of Indian flag? First stripe, second stripe and third stripe. Now which color is on the third stripe? Green. But we have to give the answer in coded language. So, what is the name of green? What is the coded name of green? This is the original green and the coded name given to green is blue. So our answer will be blue. See the options here. A option, purple. B, white. C, green. And D, blue. Which is our answer? Blue. Blue color is on the last stripe of Indian flag. Now, let us take one more example. If grapes are called apple. If grapes are called apple, apple is called mango and mango is called orange. Now tell me which is our national fruit? Tell me which is our national fruit? Yes, mango is our national fruit, but here we have to give answer in the coded language. Where is mango written? See here. And the coded word for mango is orange. Now our answer will be orange. Orange is our national fruit. Very good. Let's start the exercise. In it is given that lion is called rabbit. Lion is called rabbit. And rabbit is called snake. Rabbit is called snake. Snake is called monkey. Now, the king of jungle is, tell me who is the king of jungle? Yes, lion is the king of jungle now, but we have to write in coded language. The coded name for lion is rabbit. The answer will be rabbit. Rabbit is the king of jungle. Now the next question. It is given that if Sunday is called Monday, Monday is called Tuesday, and Tuesday is called Wednesday, which is the second day of week. You know the days of the week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the second one is Tuesday. And the coded name for Tuesday is Wednesday. So our answer will be Wednesday. It is given in option number D. Next question. That is question number 3. In question number 3, it is given that if we call chair as table, and table as desk, and desk as ladder, chair as table, table as desk, desk as ladder, then what does a person sit on? What does a person sit on? We sit on a chair, but the coded name of chair is table. So the answer will be table. Option number D. Now come on to the next one, 4th. In 4th one, it is given that white is coded as black, black as blue, and blue as yellow. Then the color of milk is, tell me the color of milk. You know the color of milk. Yes, milk is of white color. And the coded name is black. So the answer will be black. Then color of milk is black. B option. Now come on to the next one. 5th part. It is given that sky is known as earth. If we call sky as earth, and earth as planet, and planet as sun, then stars shine in the, where does the stars shine? In the sky. So the answer will be earth, because the name given to the sky, the coded name of sky is earth. A part, earth will be the answer. Now come on to the next one. If triangle can be written as 3 and circle can be written as 0, then how can we write rectangle? Do you know the answer? Let me tell you the options. A part 5, B part 1, C part 3, and D part 4. Yes, the correct option will be 4, because there are 3 corners of a triangle. So it is known as 3. There are 0 corners of a circle. So it is known as 0. And we have 4 corners in a rectangle. So it will be written as 4. Now come on to the next question. It is given that dog is known as cat. Cat is known as mouse. Mouse is known as rat. The question is, then which animal lives in kennel? Tell me which animal lives in kennel? Question number A. Cat. Now coming to the next one. If banana is apple, apple is orange, and orange is watermelon, then which fruit is yellow in color? Tell me. Banana. Yes, banana is yellow in color. So the answer will be apple. Because, very good, apple is the code for banana. Now come on to the next one. 9th question. If monkey is a fish, if monkey is a fish, fish is a snake, and snake is a lion, then to which is fisherman related? Fisherman is related to fish. So the answer will be snake. Now the next one. If foot is known as hand, hand is known as nose, and nose is known as forehead, then from which organ a human body breathe? We breathe with the help of our nose, and the code name for nose is forehead. So the answer will be forehead. Now, rest of the 10 questions you have to do by yourself. Try it. These are very interesting and you will enjoy doing these questions.